Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Now you can talk to my books. For example, this one, Dream Big, Move Forward Inch by Inch. If you click this talk to book, you can talk to this book. You can ask
Hey there,
questions.
I'm
Okay.
your guide to this book, Dream Big. How can I help you today?
Can you tell about this book?
I sure can. This book, Dream Big, Move Forward Inch by Inch, is all about finding happiness and success in your life. It's packed with motivational stuff and positive thoughts to keep you going. What are you hoping to get out of the book? Maybe I can point you in the right direction.
Can you tell about the core summary of this book?
The core message of Dream Big, Move Forward Inch by Inch is that achieving big dreams is possible by breaking them down into smaller, manageable steps and maintaining a positive mindset. It emphasizes the importance of consistent effort, gratitude, and learning from mistakes, while also encouraging readers to nurture relationships and embrace courage. Is there a specific aspect of the book that you're interested in, or would you like me to elaborate on any of these points?
Uh, can you list the benefits of reading this book?
I can do that. Reading this book can help you understand the importance of dreaming big and moving forward step by step. Discover ways to stay positive and motivated. Learn how to balance expectations and hard work for happiness. Find meaning and purpose in your life whether you set goals or not. Practice mindfulness for a more peaceful life. Improve your health and well being through simple techniques like hand mudras. Experience the state of flow for increased happiness and productivity. Boost your mental health with simple activities. Appreciate the power of gratitude and nurturing relationships. Embrace courage and learn from inspiring stories of others. Did any of those benefits stand out to you, or is there something else you're hoping to gain?
Can you tell about the details about how to read or how to buy this?
I'm designed to provide information from the book, but I don't have details on where to purchase it. However, the conclusion of the book mentions that you can buy the paperback version online. Also, the author can be contacted via email at rajamanikam.a@gmail.com. Is there anything else I can help you with regarding the book's content?
Is there any website for the author?
Yes, the author's website is rajamanikam.com.
Okay, whether we can buy it from there?
I am sorry, I am not able to browse the internet, so I cannot confirm whether you can buy the book from the author's website. However, the book does mention the website, so it is possible. Is there anything else I can help you with? All right. Were you hoping to find something specific in the book? I can help you with that.
Once after finishing the talk, narrating the conversation transcript. Another book also there as of now, Unlocking AI. Right now, you can just test it, and if you share the feedback, I will be forwarding that feedback to the creator of this.